Tickets again. What's it say?
Unauthorized to use.
Good morning from Nara. We are exiting the Nara city, heading to Osaka. Maps has got us doing the neighbourhood route. It took us a long time to find this particular route that goes from Nara to Osaka. I've done a bit of research on the Facebook page. Somebody suggested that Route 25 was the way to go, but we could not find it from where we were looking last night. It just would not come up. We could not see it on maps. And then this morning when we went to leave, we were 500 metres down the road a little bit, and what should come up is Route 25. So that is the route we have chosen, and I think it is going to be the best one. It only has a 150 metre rise, and it appears to be all downhill. And since it's going to be light rain all day today, we're up for anything that's easier than busy roads and hills. It's like a maze. If you didn't know where you were going, you would definitely get lost without a compass. Okay, left. I better wait for Cecile, she's not keeping up. Better not leave you behind, you get lost. I said I better make sure I don't leave you behind, you get lost. Turn right. Oh, hang on. Okay, that's the next instruction. 1.2 kilometres, turn left. Small break out of the neighbourhood for a bit. Gutter cleaning. Ohio. These little day daisy type flowers. It's just wild. Still raining. Yeah. Had our fair share of rain on this whole trip, haven't we? Bikes are mingling with all the other bikes. Just saying, it's as hard to find a push bike parking in Japan as what it is to find a car parking. We got a ticket last night for parking outside the hotel because they wouldn't let us park in the underground car park. Tickets again. What's it say?
Unauthorized use.
We ended up getting 3 parking tickets in Osaka for leaving our bikes in places we thought were fine. 2 of the spots were pretty random out of the way, while the last one was right next to a bunch of other bikes. It seems like the locals knew exactly where it's okay to park, but we had no clue. Lesson learned.
Anything's better than the footpath. Hospital there. Right. Come back. There's no green arrow, that was good. 1 extra life. Some silence happening. Car beside you.
selfie yet. We were told Osaka drivers were crazy. They have their own bunch of rules. Which way? So we will need to go up that road. See, maps can't keep up with us, we're too fast.